Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu and today I have a really cute hairstyle for you guys. It's just a ponytail, but I'm actually going to show you guys how I put all my hair, I'll show you guys all my hair into the ponytails. So it looks really nice. So as you can see, my hair is like fluffy and wavy right now. So yeah, so basically we're going to get into it. Make sure to subscribe, like my video, hit the bell notification. Let's get into the video. Okay, so my ponytail is from INH Ponytail. I think that's what they're called. INH Ponytail, yeah. I got two of them. I'm just gonna use one. I have Lola and Lily. Let's go with Lola because it sounds like Lulu. Okay, so this is the ponytail here. Kind of like a little Barbie ponytail. Yeah, so I'm not gonna blow dry my hair or stretch it out or anything. I'm just gonna push it all the way back and just fit it in here. I know I have a lot of hair, so let's see how that's gonna look. So first things first, oh, I forgot my brush. So let me go get my brush and then I'll be right back to show you guys. All right guys, so I got my brush, I'm all back. So my hair's already detangled and everything. So the way I'm gonna fit all my hair is I'm gonna put it in a bun, a really tight flat bun. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Now, first things first, let's start with gel. I'm gonna start out with the LA gel, which is like the wet look. I chose this gel because it's gonna give me more like if I did kind of blow dry my hair, because this hair that I have is kind of silky and straight and my hair is wavy right now. I want it to blend as nicely as possible. So I feel like when I use the LA wet gel, it does give me that really nice like silky shiny look. So that's important too. So I'm just gonna push all my hair back. I'm not gonna do like the swoop. I was thinking of doing that, but for that you do have to like blow dry your hair. And as we all know, we are natural, no heat. I've come way too far to applying heat in my hair right now. And I already did apply heat. If you guys watched my Dyson video on that was my first time applying heat since like a year. I only apply heat once a year. Maybe I should have done the ponytail then. Alright guys, so let's just put everything in a bun. Well, in a ponytail first. Alright, so we have the hair in a bun. In a ponytail. We're gonna make this tight. Not too tight, but tight enough. Let me get another rubber band. Let me get another ponytail. I don't really like this one. I like the really big ones. And being that I have a lot of hair, that was probably gonna break on me. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my hair in a ponytail, as you guys can see. Now, the braiding part. So I'm gonna add mousse on my hair. On the ponytail part. I'm gonna drench. I'm gonna add a lot of mousse. Because that's how I get my hair to be like really flat. And then make sure you do the braid really tight as well. Okay, and then just start braiding it. Okay, and then we're gonna put in a bun, a really, really tight bun. I'm gonna make it as little as possible. If you have like thick hair like me, it's kind of hard to do it, but it's not impossible. All right, so make sure you guys do it flat. Tiny, tiny, tiny. All right, I'm gonna use this here. Okay, that's that. And let's get the ponytail in there. Now this is my INH ponytail. I see it. All right, let's throw this bad boy up there. Okay, and then just wrap it around. I'm gonna need some bobby pins. It usually comes with bobby pins, but I don't know where I put the ones for this one. No idea where they at. What? It already looks good. Okay. Yeah. All right, let's put more bobby pins here too, just so it doesn't left and it looks really good. All right, give me. All right, so I'm back and I did it. So I fixed my baby hairs, but this is the final result. Yeah, it looks really cute. I know. See, I fit all my hair in there. I did a really tight braid. Then I put in a really tight bun. And this is what it came out to look like. I think it looks really, really cute. Now, guys, like I said, I got this ponytail from INH Ponytail. I'll link all the products and everything I used below. But this was very simple, very cute. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Comment. Bye, guys.